Anybody married to a snorer? Who's married to snoring? Partner? Okay, a couple of guys raise their hands. You're clapping? You're like, yeah, we love it. We love it. You must not share rooms. You got a separate room? Like, I didn't know. People do that. They kiss each other on the cheek and then to the other side of the house. I'll see you when I see you. Or do you guys hang in there, snoring people? Do y'all hang in there with your partner that snores? Look at y'all. It won't last. My wife was over it. I woke up the other day, my wife was in the next room. I was like, are we that couple now, the separate rooms people? She said, it's so loud. I was like, do I have the apnea? People are dying from the apnea. She goes, I don't know what that is. I said, do I stop breathing in the middle of the night? She said, no, I wish.